Hey, it's Dr. Mo here at Chiropractic Care Center. We have Colin. Colin is a soldier, so you're standing up basically all day long, right? And
Yes.
you're putting a lot of pressure on his lower back. First time ever getting treated. Saw us on Facebook. He doesn't have chronic stuff. He's young. He's got a lot of tight muscles in there. So we're gonna adjust the whole spine and go from there. So Colin, let's go ahead and go face down for me, bud. All right. And this is his first treatment, so let's see. Okay. All right. So as you see the alignment, he's off here. And Colin, do me a favor. Go ahead and lift this leg again for me. As high as you can. Good. How about this one? Good. All right. Colin, move down just a little bit towards your feet for me. Perfect. So take a deep breath for me. All the way out. Nice. Oh, man, you're tight. That move's good. How'd that feel?
Yeah.
He's like, he just jammed on me. This side up for me, Colin. So you're gonna lay on your side facing this way.
Okay.
Beautiful. You're gonna bend this leg here.
Okay.
The good thing about the videos is people already seen what it looks like, so you kind of know. And bring this forward. Perfect.
Like that?
Just like that. Take a deep breath for me, Colin. All the way out. Good. And relax, relax. Beautiful. Oh yeah. Nice. Nice. Facing this way for me. So that side we brought down, this side we're gonna bring up.
Okay.
Man, that was a movie, Colin. Good. Relax that. Bring this forward.
Okay.
Deep breath for me. All the way out. Good. Oh. Oh, that was an explosion. All right, go face up for me. So same thing on the neck. We're gonna see how to raise it up the next way. All right, here we go. Beautiful. Oh man, nice. Your ears are going bright red. All the blood is rushing. That's a good thing. All right, let's go face down for me, Colin. Let me check everything. So we're gonna check the leg again. Look at that. Perfectly lined up now. Good. Now you can see that video too, Colin. See how different it is. Do me a favor. Raise this leg for me. Ha! How about this one? Look at that. Little difference, huh?
A little bit.
Nice. Nice. That move's really good, Colin. So if you're watching this and you're in Colin's shoe, come on in. Let's see if we can fix you up here. All right.